so excited because the evening is all glittered now because I'm having the versatile performer Mansi Naik. She's all set here. And the moment she come, I don't know why, but I'm so impatient. I'm going to pull her on the stage immediately to talk about empowerment. I'm so happy to introduce. She's Mansi Naik, and I feel no introduction is needed. She is a versatile personality. She is rocking the Marathi cinema, and she's come all over from Pune. Thank you so much, Mansi ji. So we'll be just discussing about women empowerment. We've been talking about empowerment, and this entire topic is so vast it can never end. But yes, of course, we can at least get some solutions for the so many questions that we arise in every single minute. So thank you so much, Mansi ji, for joining us. And Zubeen sir is here.
I mean, what do you want me to say when we're talking about women empowerment? I think it's a topic, as you said, which is so vast, which can never be completely discussed. But what we saw in the first round, I mean, the kind of confidence that the ladies have exuded over here, I think it's just more than women empowerment. When a woman starts believing in herself, when she does what she wants to do, when she says, "This is me," I think that is what perfect Miss India would be,
Perfect Miss of India.
Hello everyone, good evening. Okay, so there was a time when I was a model too. I was Miss Maharashtra, and that time I couldn't talk on the stage because I was very, very scared to face the audience. And that's how my journey became. And then I became a cheerleader for Kolkata Knight Riders. I'm the first Indian cheerleader in history in India. So I was with Kolkata Knight Riders. After me there were Pune, Kolkata, everybody else. So yeah, I've learned one thing, that believing in yourself and what you wear, having the confidence in showing your skin and not showing your skin is very, very important. I think girls are going to face a lot of ups and downs because they are going to have a lot of shoots and shows where they will be forced to wear, no, you'll have to wear this. Listen, don't wear it if you're not comfortable. Do not wear it if you're not comfortable because you won't be yourself, and that's going to, people can see that on your face. So I think the best outfit you wear is confidence, and just be the way you are. Wear what you want to. And I think Piche mat dekho, when God opens a door, it's for a reason, right? So when the doors are open, just keep going. I know there are ups and downs, but life is roller coaster. It will be very, very boring if it's really just good. So face your problems and be as strong as you can with every problem you face it. That's all I would say. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Hi, my name is Vibhan Ashana. I am the founder of Party and Travel. Thank you, Dr. Khushi, to invite me on the stage. Me and Rajiv were just talking about something where he just told कि सबके पापा ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं कि नहीं करना है या अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. And that topic just hit me. I think I'm blessed in that way that my parents were like very happy and used to say, everybody can do it, you can also do it, why don't you start? And the women empowerment starts from your home and then with your family and then with your friends. And I have a wonderful friend like Dr. Khushi who gives you the platform, not only for the models but into the media and everybody, where you can talk about yourself. You can spread your wings through a family and the friends. Thank you.
Rajiv sir, I believe you've been talking about empowerment, and I feel unless and until you put some light, the entire panel discussion will not be having the salt and pepper.
So, Jai Shri Krishna everyone. So my name is Rajveer Singh. We talking about women empowerment कैसे होगा, but I strongly believe empowerment हो चुका है. That is why we're discussing it. Like when we were talking, me and Khushi, I said, see, every woman is a working woman. Only few get paid. So like हम कहते हैं आप क्या हो, housewife हो. Housewife does not get any salary, but trust me, उससे difficult कोई job नहीं है. So I rather use a terminology homemaker. She is the one who makes a home beautiful. Like Vibha said, हम लोग discuss कर रहे थे. Almost all the girls said, my family does not allow me. मुझे allow नहीं था, इसलिए मैं अभी कर रही हूँ. खुशी मैम ने platform दिया. So, like Khushi, Viva, and all these panel members, can we actually have a trend like ये allowed नहीं है ऐसे मैं कर सकती हूँ? I mean,
तो अभी भी हमारे यहाँ पे वो टैबू है, उससे उस माइंडसेट को
But
दूर
who said
होने के
that
लिए
taboo?
we are just few.
it takes one person, one Khushi to start it.
Yes. So
So
this
why
is
not
what-
start it today?
Yes. Now again we have the debate actually, but in this case, yes, of course, it will take some time. We have to be mentally prepared for it. But yes, of course, it's gonna be happening very soon. I'm looking forward for this.
I believe Manasi.
Mansi is yes, of course, yes.
Why not start today?
So hi, namaskar, namaste, this is Manasi Naik. I know we actually are discussing about women empowerment, but I personally feel we are really incomplete without the men. Let's face this, okay? In today's, you're welcome. Because in today's life, it is very easy to make any kind of statement just like that. You know, we are all here to support each other, and first of all, I would love to say heartiest congratulations to Dr. Khushi. जैसा नाम है वैसे ही personality है. Let's face it, Khushi. And the entire team of the Perfect Women magazine. I think you are playing a very good job. You're voicing us as a woman, as a girl, you know, as a Mother Earth, I would, term it as. You're voicing us. It gives an immense pleasure. It gives very emotional, emotionally I'm saying this, you're voicing us, you're giving us this kind of platform where we can actually talk our heart out. And then again, the entire team, your team, is doing a very good job, and I am more than happy to be a part of this.
Thank you so much once again, and once again I want to invite Rupali Suri. I was actually waiting for a lot. Rupali Suri is a versatile performer. She's an actress. She's always late actually.
But you're looking so gorgeous.
Yeah, as usual, she's looking.
As usual.
So we were just talking about empowerment, and it's over to you.
Can I?
And also we, she's very good, like when it comes to Shairi, she is, I say, one piece on earth.
Well, thank you so much, Khushi, and first of all, congratulations for such a brave and a very good endeavor. Actually, has everybody finished? Because I have joined. It's my turn? Okay, has everybody finished? Oh, okay. So I've just come on time. Great. So first of all, thank you so much for making me a part of this. The whole context that we are talking about is single women and financial stability. I come from a family where we are 3 daughters. My mother, she was a single parent, 3 daughters, and the only thing that she taught us was to be financially stable. Do not depend on any man. You should have your own income. You should be happy what you're earning and happy to spend it. And believe me, that's exactly what we did. We worked our way out. We struggled. We made sure that we did every hard work very sincerely that was coming our way. And today it's me, my sister, my other 2 sisters. Of course, I'm an actor. My other sister is a Miss India world, and my other sister is also an actor, but now she's just got married and delivered a baby, so she's happily enjoying the family marital life. But she's still working. She's still designing. She's still trying to figure out her creativity. She's married to a very rich guy, but she still makes sure that she has her bank balance, which is of her own money. And this is something that has come from our mother. And because she has seen the struggle of not having the man around, even if the man was not giving money, she knew that my daughters cannot go through this. This is a very heartfelt note that I'm telling you and sharing with you. Not a lot of people know about it. But yes, I can only say that I right now don't know anything else besides working. That's a part of my personality. I have to be productive. And this is one thing that I learned from my mother, is be productive, be useful, be creative. And I think till the time I die, I would want to be the same. And thanks to all the men, I don't think so that, like rightly she said, I just got the very small glimpse of it. It cannot be. I actually thank my father for not being around. Only because he was not around, I was able to figure out my way. And I always thank him. Whenever he meets me today, I smile at him. Papa, thank you so much. Because if you were there, I think I would have got married. I would have had a very comfortable life. Only because you were not there, you made me a solid person that I am today. And I am very thankful to him because he was an inspiration behind me. He was always telling me what is right, what is wrong, where you are supposed to be. And thanks to all the men who have come in my life, whether it was my producers, my directors, my choreographers, everyone who's given me the crown, they all have been men and they have been wonderful teachers to me. And these women that we talk about, the women that is empowering, cannot be empowered without the man. So, hats off to you all. It's not something that we can take the credit alone. It is, of course, something that is a dual effort that goes in together. And yes, thank you for making me a part of this discussion. And it's a beautiful, beautiful subject to be talking about. I'm always emotional whenever I talk about a single woman, and people still ask me, you're single, and what is it? Why are you not getting married now? Though everything is settled. I said, yeah, but I still want to work. I don't have time only. I want to work because that gives me the craze, that gives me the happiness. Dating, baad mein karenge. So,
but without the shairi, I believe it is not going to work, and I'm not going to allow you to leave the ramp.
So there is one shairi that is always my favorite, and that is written by me. तू प्यार है, तू इश्क है, तू मोहब्बत है, तू औरत है, तुझे किसी की जरूरत नहीं. तू जीत है, तू हार है, तू जज्बा है. तू औरत है, तुझे किसी की जरूरत नहीं. तू झांसी है, तू इंदिरा है, तू सरोजनी है. ए औरत, तुझे किसी की जरूरत नहीं. जोरदार भी हो सकती थी, मुझे पता है बहुत सारे कम लोग बैठे हैं, बट अच्छा लगेगा हम बैठे हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a beautiful audience here.
Yes, please, it is your turn now. Because I believe there are so many canalizations, and of course the one point which she correctly said that no empowerment is done without the support of men.
I somewhere partially agree and I don't agree.
No, you are into debate, but the point is yes.
I'm not debating, but just a point of view. Success does not see gender before coming. I mean, we sitting on the same stage. अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर कर सकता है तो मिथाली राज भी कर सकती है. I would definitely say she has made India proud on a global level. There are females who are doing it at a global level. I mean, look at Sushmita Sen, a beauty with brains. I mean, needs no introduction. She has taken India to the global level. So, just a little bit of support from each and every one here. आज घर जाते हैं families को बोलते हैं कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. Like this, मैं कर सकती हूँ should be the first initiative should come from a girl herself. I mean, अगर लड़की खुद ही confident नहीं होगी, तो nobody will. I mean, सब कहते हैं ना उस नज़र से देखेंगे कि नहीं लड़की है, ये गाड़ी ठोक देगी, ये लेफ्ट जाएगी, राइट जाएगी, ये ठोक देगी, ये नहीं कर सकती. But guys, there are female aircraft. I mean, warcraft उड़ाते हैं. There are female pilots who do fighter planes also, who fly fighter planes. Forget the cars and the bikes. So it's a girl who would definitely take the initiative. So I still would repeat the same line. Success does not see gender before knocking your doors. So let every girl have that opportunity. And when we talk about financial stability, so financial stability ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आज एक शो कर रहा हूँ, एक इवेंट कर रहा हूँ, and कल मैं financially stable हो गया. It takes a lot of planning, lot of strategy. You need to know where do we invest. Earning money is easy, which is, I mean, I know a lot of people will look at me, कि क्या कह रहा है, but I still believe earning money is very easy. Being happy is difficult. If you can balance both, you're successful.
Absolutely, I think. बहुत अच्छा, खूब कहा आपने.
No, you can go ahead. I'll keep on talking, don't worry.
No, I agree with sir completely. I agree with the beautiful lady sitting beside me. आपकी शायरी बहुत अच्छी है. क्या बात है. I mean, wow. We actually they are, I feel वहाँ बैठ के वो आपको सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, they're awe moment की तालियाँ भी नहीं बज रही है, नहीं. But then jokes apart, I personally feel कि मैंने इसलिए वो बात कही कि I come from a very educational family, like my father is a scientist, organic chemistry. मैं एक ही वो फिल्मी कीड़ा हूँ जो फिल्म में आ गया है. So frankly saying, as a science student, I wanted to be a doctor. I wanted to be a vet actually. I have 8 cats of my own. Yeah. So मैं वो ना करके अगर मैं कुछ और कर रही हूँ तो इसमें सपोर्ट मेरी दोनों मतलब माँ और बाबा दोनों का था, आई यानी बाबा. And the fact that I have seen, like Sir said, money is, I mean, you can, you can channelize it properly, is what I say. But in my career, in my life, it was channelized properly because both of my parents, without them, I'm completely, I'm zero. And the fact that they have grown me up in such a beautiful culture, may it be just a language, like Marathi as a language, but वो जो importance है culture का, वो obviously it is inherited naturally by them. और इसके वजह से the first, I would say the first tutor or the first guidance is always, they are always your parents. बाद में आपके teachers आते हैं, आपके friends आते हैं, of course, like you learn so much from your friends. फिर बाद में आते हैं आपकी आपका कॉलेज लाइफ, देन you have a partner in your life, वहाँ से भी आप सीखते हो, ऑफिस में बॉस रहते हैं, so there are, you learn and you keep on learning, and I feel the process of learning should never stop no matter what sex you are. It is very very important right now, and थोड़ी सी competition होनी चाहिए, because अगर competition नहीं है तो हम ही अकेले रेस में और हम ही अकेले जीतेंगे तो फायदा नहीं है. सो आई पर्सनली बिलीव इन कॉम्पिटिशन, और अगर आपको जीतना है तो सबसे पहले आपको हारना पड़ेगा. सो फेलियर्स इज समथिंग विच विल टीच यू एंड विच विल बूस्ट यू अप इन योर करियर, एंड दिस इज कमिंग ऑल फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल टेक्स्ट बुक, ऑल फ्रॉम माई लाइफ.
One thing I would like to say about my mom, until because you removed that topic. So yeah, my family got separated 20 years back. And my dad, he's always been into politics. So me and my sister, like हम लोग अगर स्कूल भी जाते थे, we had gunmen, we never gone out of the house alone, never traveled alone, never sat in the flight alone, कुछ भी अकेला नहीं था. We always had हमारी individual bike or the gunmen, even standing outside the classroom. So we were never individual, never on our own. So when they got separated, my mom also, she's never worked, she's completed her education, but even in her family and after getting married to dad, she's never worked. She's always been like a queen in both the houses. So I realized when I was 18 and when I became a cheerleader, that was my first time when I got a 75,000 check, and I did not know what to do because I was such a dumb. कभी accounts देखे ही नहीं ना, because I was always under my father and mother, right? I was asking mom, ये paper का करना क्या है? So
that was the innocence.
Yeah, I didn't know what that is. So my journey started from there, and I could just see my mother struggling. She was paying the rent and taking care of me. She used to give me $500 to just go give auditions and come back home. And that 500 from where she used to get, I have no idea. She used to sell her things. That today she's 62 and she runs her own tiffin service from home. She cooks at least 100 to 150 tiffins a day, and both her knees are operated. And she also works in Siddharth Banquet as a manager. So she wakes up at 4 in the morning. She cooks her tiffin. She leaves home at 10 and she comes back again at 8 o'clock. So I think I'm learning a lot from my mother, that if a 62-year-old woman can do so much, even after getting operated and being queens of both the families, I sometimes I feel I'm very small in front of her, and I can never reach there where she is today. The respect and as an individual, she could have got married, but then because she had 2 daughters, she chose not to. and she really took care of us, and I think she's my real hero today, and I really want to be even more stronger than what my mother is. And again, what you said is very, very correct. अगर dads होते तो हम लोग आज यहाँ नहीं होते, because even I think if I would have been with my father, I would have got married to a politician's son right now, and I would have been sitting in the house doing nothing. And yes, Dad, I love you very, very much. Khushi has my dad, and when I was small, I used to just look up to my father, and I always wanted to be like him. That because I was a son, I was not a daughter to my father, and trust me, he studied only in till 6th standard, but he knows 42 languages very, very fluently. And so उनको देख के when I was like, अरे dad has studied only till 6, मेरे को भी 6 तक ही पढ़ना, I'll become like him. So yeah, I did that though, but but whatever I am today, facing the world, how to know who is fooling you, who is not fooling you, being so intelligent is what all I took from my father. And उनको ही देख के whatever I'm doing today is what I am. But I really want to be what my mother is, and which is really very difficult. She really works very, very hard at this age. So thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Okay, on that note, I think we should definitely call Rajesh Rani sir.
Please,
from
on the
Indian
stage,
Film
sir.
History.
You have to come, sir. You are a great inspiration. Please, sir. So this is not a ladies' function. ऐसा बोलना भी नहीं है. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा. Yes, sir. Please. So he is actually a person. He is the man behind so many stars. ये इनको पसंद नहीं है ना, ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
I'm behind nobody. Behind me is my wife.
See, this is the art of using the right words, because he is at the stage where women empowerment topic is all about women, so he knows what to be using the words. So he directly let's come to the point. It's all about the woman, and who I am is all because of my wife.
Thank you very much for inviting, and I don't have much words. If you ask a question, then I'll answer you.
Sir, आपके साथ में बात करने से डिबेट थोड़ी करना है मुझे.
नहीं बात बरोबर है. This is the stage, and we should be precise.
So you have been at the age, and you've been working for so long. So what is the role of a woman, if you have to give a definition on that?
Woman is the first body who produces and who runs the whole universe. If there is no woman, there is no man. That's very simple as that. Woman is the key to the universe. आज हम लोग जन्म लेते हैं कहाँ से? Unfortunately, मर्दों को facility नहीं है from the God. That is exactly
So universally, God ने भी women को ही select किया.
So woman is the strongest, and they have been supporting, and my wife is the one who has been working along with me, and my daughter who is working along with me. That's how it is. I'm in front of you today. Thank you.
Sir, there are still in the country, if you talk about women, and as we have been talking about women empowerment, and there are so many women out there who really want to prove themselves and who want to come out of their cocoons, probably घर से निकल के कुछ करना चाहते हैं, but still आज भी वो बोल भी नहीं पाते.
बोल नहीं पाते because certain families are yet in the echoes of 1940 and 1950, where they feel कि women को सिर्फ घर पे होना चाहिए. जैसे even the lady just mentioned, शायद मैं डैड के साथ होती तो किसी पॉलिटिशियन की बेटी के साथ शादी करके घर पे ही बैठी रहती. That is the concept, because the parents don't want certain their parents don't want them. For me, I was very aggressive, and I have put forward my wife and the daughter both in the forefront. If you happen to know the old industry standards, they will know Anita is studying more than Raju. I'm in a backbone, she is in the front. If you now go into the market in the wedding industry, you can very well know who is Megha is studying. They wouldn't know who is Raju is studying. So I'm happy for that.
पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप यहाँ जितने भी मेल्स बैठे हैं, जितने भी पुरुष यहाँ बैठे हैं, आप उन सबको एक हिदायत क्या देंगे कि वो किस तरह से अपनी बीवी या गर्लफ्रेंड या बेटी, कोई भी विमेन जो उनकी ज़िंदगी में है, उनको किस तरह से ट्रीट करें, और क्या वो एक मूल मंत्र देंगे आप यहाँ पे जितने भी पुरुष बैठे होंगे?
Honestly, I can't deliver any message to anybody. It is one who decides himself or whoever has been taught from their parents whether to respect women or not. This is the old education which comes from the parents again. Like, I will not be able to advise anybody what to do because everybody has an individual life.
That is true, but
I don't think I have any words to advise, and I am not an advisor here. I am a karma. I do karma of my own. So everybody has to do their own karma. Whether
your words will be really impactful if you could just say one thing, like one statement,
So
one line.
experience speaks. And these days, you know, like we all, though we know everything, we still need a mentor.
Yeah.
अब हमें सब पता है सर, हम अगर आज रील्स देखते हैं हमें पता है कि टोमेटो लगाने से स्किन पे ये होगा, आलू लगाने से ये होगा. Still we need somebody to come and guide us. You do this, then we will do.
I really have no.
I watch everything. I don't do that.
What you want me to say, I really have no words.
So I just want one thing, you know, like because as we said that women empowerment, when we talk about it, it's always the first step is by the men of the family. The way you took the stand for your wife, your daughter, and there are men present out here, the men who are watching us probably. So there should be something, because you know we talk about the possessiveness is always there, insecurity is always there.
Love and respect to all women.
There you go.
Be it mother, wife, daughter, or anyone. Just respect them and look up to them. But they are the ultimately, they are the one who has given us the life. That is all I can say.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for imparting that wisdom with us. Thank you.